Hey, this will be a video chart on YRCW. Been getting quite a few of questions and requests on this one, so wanted to do a video on it. Go over support resistances and kind of what you do and don't want to see from the daily chart perspective. So if you're a day trader, you might find some things in this useful, but day trader strategy can be summed up pretty good. But if you bought somewhere up here and then didn't sell when it rebounded, or bought up here as a day trader, you should probably be out of the stock by now. But like I said, this is going to be more from the swing trader or a daily chart trader perspective. So the first thing to note is we are officially in a bounce mode and probably in a reversal, although I'm not totally sold on a reverse quite yet. There is something that I still want to see if it happens or not. But as far as a bounce, definitely bouncing, reversing. In my personal opinion, not quite yet, but getting close. Still got one more hurdle to go, and I'll explain what that is. But overall, very nice move since it bottomed out down here. This big volume day kind of led the way, and things have been going very well ever since then. So we'll first just start off with kind of what I want to see happen in order to call it a reverse, and that'll also lead into the support levels. So yes, well, first let me take a step back and kind of go over my philosophy on things. Stocks have four phases. Here it was downtrending. The first thing they need to do is consolidate or go sideways, which was that stage. Then they need to start to bounce, which started here, and then this pullback was kind of a first test to kind of see if this was a true bounce, and then you got another break up, so that confirmed the bounce. And now we're working on a reversal, and then obviously after a reversal you have a breakout. And the breakout right now that chart's focusing on hopefully is going to be up here around the 44-cent region. So yes, depending on your time frame, you could say that it is reversing, but I want to see another test of support. So if we go back here when you would test to see if this was an actual bounce, we had a test of this support right here, which was a 20-day simple moving average, and you can see it passed the test with flying colors. Great job, held, and then bounced up. Well, the new test that I'm seeing is this purple line here, which is the 50-day simple moving average, a very common moving average used by pretty much all traders and chartists. And if the price does pull back, now it could just keep going up, but if it does pull back, I want to see if this can hold. If it can and then bounce back up, that's when I would feel comfortable saying this one's definitely reversing. But if it were to come down here and fall through, then obviously this was just kind of a prolonged type of bounce, and with a violation of this moving average, it's probably going to, at least in my opinion, come back down to these previous lows. But for now, the chart's still hanging in there, not even close to the 50-day. But what I'm saying is if it does come down here, it's going to need to hold up. And if it does and then head back upwards, that's going to be great confirmation. Or the other way that I'm looking for the chart to confirm that it is actually reversing is just simply a break and close above its previous highs up here, right around the 44-cent level. If it can do that on nice volume and get some candles that close up like this, then that would be another confirming factor. But after today's candle, looking at the volume, it does look like it'll probably come down and test this 50-day, but I'm sure nobody's going to be complaining if it doesn't. But like I said, overall the chart is in a short-term uptrend, as can be clearly seen by the 10-day and 20-day simple moving average, that blue and gold one here. Medium term is neutral right now, with the sideways 50-day, but like I said, if it can come down here, hold, and then bounce back up, that's going to cause this 50-day to start to curl upwards. Then you're also going to get the medium-term trend upwards confirmation too. So that's what you should be looking for from the daily chart perspective. And like I said, on that note, the 50-day, this is the crucial support. After that, you have pretty much not any down till 20 cents down here, which is had some price history. But the 50-day, which let's see, today is valued at 25 cents. That's going to be the key support that you do want to see the bulls hang on to and maintain. So if there are any other questions on YRCW, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook. And with your newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things for free. No strings attached. We've been making some good money together on the alerts and so forth. So I encourage you to head to the site, sign up, and see what it's all about. One more time, this is YRCW. Thanks for listening.